I got my son this 7-inch touchscreen stereo that you can hook up to your car if you have an older version radio. It fits most any vehicle brand because it hooks into the cigarette lighter, and you can access your Google Maps, your music. It has a rear view camera that comes with it that you can hook up, wired or unwired. Y'all, this thing is like getting a brand new car stereo. He absolutely loves it. It even has built-in speakers. So if your stereo speakers quit working and you need speakers in your car, this would be perfect as well. Y'all, I absolutely love that I got this for him because he can hook up his Google Maps and it'll show him exactly where to go. Y'all, this is a win-win. Scoop it up in the orange cart below.